Back in the late 80s, when I got laid off from an automotive facility here in town, I needed a job. I was a single mom. So I started looking throughout the county, and Reelcraft happened to be the highest paying job in the county at the time. It was $5 an hour. I needed that, so I came to Reelcraft and put in my application. Currently, I work in the purchasing department. I have worked here a little over 36 years at this time. It's been a long time. But they paid for my associates, bachelor's. They paid my way through school. Even with being a single mom, it was just only helping develop me and my abilities to work at Reelcraft. As I moved around within the different departments on the floor, nobody checked our work. I mean, we were responsible for our own quality. So I was always inquiring about, why don't we have a quality department here? I was selected to be on that team to help implement the ISO certification, but that's when we developed our whole ISO program with all the documentation, the work instructions, the quality checks, and with that association, that's when I moved into the quality department. And they sent me out for CMM training, blueprint reading training. I mean, they trained me up and helped me grow, and I really do appreciate the help that they did for me, because all their willingness to educate me allowed me to continue to grow. In 1996, Reelcraft received the Indiana Quality Improvement Award, and we are still ISO certified to this day. Reelcraft has provided me and all of the team players opportunity for growth, personal growth within the company. I'm very appreciative of the opportunities I've been provided. You have to put in the hard work. It's not given to you. But if you put in the hard work and take advantage of the opportunities, you have every reason to grow within the company. I'm proud of my hard work that I put forth towards those opportunities, but I'm not done. I'm excited to see what's next, and I am still willing to grow within the company.